Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by protecting your data. Copy documents, desktop and pictures to an external drive or cloud, and verify the copy. Once done, make a bootable USB installer with an official ISO using Rufus or the Media Creation tool. Choose GPT for UEFI or MBR for legacy. Make sure you know how to enter BIOS or UEFI, often F2, Del, or ESC, and temporarily disable Secure Boot if the installer requires it. This gets you ready to wipe Windows 11 clean. Boot from your USB and choose the language and keyboard. When you reach the installer's drive selection, click Drive Options to see all partitions. Carefully delete the Windows partitions, usually an EFI, MSR, and the primary C, so that Windows system files are removed. Delete only the target drive partitions. If you plan to install another OS, create a fresh partition now or leave the space unallocated. The new installer can format as needed. Make sure you double-check the disk ID to avoid deleting the wrong drive. After wiping the Windows partitions, either proceed with a fresh OS install or shut down if you only wanted to delete Windows. When the installer prompts, remove the USB to avoid looping back into setup. Next, return to BIOS/UEFI to restore settings like Secure Boot or boot order. If the system won't boot, use Recovery Media to repair the bootloader, confirm the correct disk is set as first boot device, and check SATA/NVMe connections. If firmware blocks booting,
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.